Hola, bienvenidos a Spanish Nerchukundam. In today's video, we are going to learn about the progressive tense or the continuous tense, which talks about the ongoing things. In English, we use the verb to be followed by the gerund to constitute the present continuous or the past continuous or the future continuous. The same way, even in Spanish, we are going to use the to be verb followed by the gerund, which is called gerundio. In Spanish, there are two to be verbs which are ser and estar, but for forming a progressive tense, we use only the estar verb. So let us see the conjugations of estar in present and past tense, and we are going to use the imperfecto tense of the past to constitute the continuous tense in Spanish. So in present it is estoy, estás, está, estamos, estáis, están. In imperfecto, it is estaba, estabas, estaba, estábamos, estabais, estaban. So we are going to use one of these and we will use the gerund followed by estar to form the progressive tense. So let us see how to form the gerund in Spanish. It's called gerundio. So we will be forming the gerund based on the verb endings or the verb infinitive endings. In Spanish, all the Spanish infinitives are either ending in AR, ER or IR. So for the verbs ending in AR, we will replace that AR with ando. So for ER and IR verbs, we will replace that ER or IR with IEND verb, which is ENDO. So let us see some examples. Hablar, hablando, comer, comiendo, vender, vendiendo, vivir, viviendo. So we are just removing the endings and adding ando and iendo to the stem. So as usual, we will have some irregular gerunds. That means the verbs or the verb infinitives which do not follow the same pattern that we discussed earlier, ando and iendo. So the verb ir has its gerund as yendo, and dormir, durmiendo, venir, viniendo, reír, riendo, leer, leyendo, decir, diciendo, vestir, vistiendo, servir, sirviendo. So let us constitute some sentences. Now I am dancing with my friends. In this case, I am dancing is the verb which is in present continuous tense or the present progressive tense. The Spanish equivalent is yo estoy bailando con mis amigos. Estar is conjugated as per the subject pronoun yo, estoy, and bailar is the infinitive for to dance. So we are adding ando to baila. So that is yo estoy bailando con mis amigos. You are playing basketball. So tú estás jugando al baloncesto. Estar is conjugated as estás as per the subject tú, and jugar is conjugated as jugando. We are forming the gerund here. As jugar is an AR verb, we are placing jugando. Tú estás jugando al baloncesto. She is painting a picture. Ella está pintando un cuadro. We are eating a pizza. Nosotros estamos comiendo pizza. Let us see some examples in past continuous tense. I was speaking with Maria. Yo estaba hablando con Maria. Here estar is conjugated as estaba in imperfecto and the gerund remains the same, hablando. You were running in the garden. Estabas corriendo en el jardín. He was teaching grammar. Él estaba enseñando la gramática. They were watching the movie. Ellos estaban viendo la película. So we have seen that the Spanish uses estar más gerundio to form the progressive tense, el progresivo. That's all for today. I'll see you all in the next video. Hasta la próxima. Ciao, ciao.